Good morning friends. Welcome to my yet another video in my YouTube channel. So before starting this video, I want all of you to please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start. Our topic today is lean manufacturing tools. So firstly you have to know what is lean. Okay. Lean. Henry Ford, the first person who integrated the concept of lean in the manufacturing system in 1799. It is a systematic approach to identify and eliminate waste, non-value added activities, means which are non-essential, through continuous improvement, which in turn helps in reducing the cost, improving the quality, saving time, increasing efficiency, reducing lead time, means the time between the initiation and completion of a production process, improve visibility, making accurate decision, reduces complexity. So these are the features of lean. Okay. Now I want to tell you the most important and commonly lean tools are. These are 5S, Kaizen, add-on, just-in-time, continuous flow, Heizonke means level scheduling, Zidoka means automation, Gemba, value stream mapping, Kanban means full system. So let's discuss each tool one by one. 5S. 5S is a workplace organization and is used as a housekeeping methodology. The different 5S are Seri means sort, Seton means set in order, Seiso means sign, Shitkutse means standardize, Shitsuke means sustain. So let's discuss the feature of each 5S one by one. Sort. Remove unnecessary item from each area. Set in order means identify storage for efficient use. Sign means clean and inspect each area regularly. Standardize means incorporate 5S into a standard operating procedure. Sustain means assigning responsibility through a continuous working cycle. So these are the feature of different 5S. Okay. Advantages. Time saving, accident and mistake minimizing, helps in increasing productivity, helps in eliminate waste. Disadvantages. Lack of management support means management do not allow to make changes for which they are working continuously for the last number of years. Misunderstanding of what 5 accomplishes means the employee who are working at the shop floor do not want to make changes and do not understand the need of 5S, not addressing problem in the workplace. They do not need what 5S can do at different workstation in the workplace. Kaizen. The Kaizen principle is a Japanese management philosophy that literally translates as K means continuous, Zen means improvement. According to Kaizen, this method helps to improve productivity of an organization. It does this by continuously taking simple steps that lead to improvement. As Kaizen work on quality services, and we can implement Kaizen through a continuous simple step that helps to lead improvement. Then the foundation of Kaizen method consists of five founding elements: teamwork means by building the Kaizen activity, we have to work in team. Personal discipline means by implementing the Kaizen activity, we have to deploy one leader whose responsibility is to check whether the employee working their task continuously or not, and improve morale. Means its responsibility is to check the morale of each employee who are working in the Kaizen activity. Quality circles, as it work on the quality respect, and we can implement Kaizen by attacking the root cause and make some changes that helps to lead to improvement. Suggestion for improvement. Every employee can make suggestion and creative input for changes through a suggestion system in this Kaizen activity. Advantages. Improve efficiency, improve standard work document. Means we can through this Kaizen activity we can easily check the performance of each employee, improve employee satisfaction, waste reduction. As it work on the quality respect, it helps to reducing the waste, improve teamwork. Disadvantages. Require permanent changes of management system. Means management do not allow to make changes for which they are working continuously for the last number of years. Difficult to convince people. Means people do not want to make changes at their end. Does not produce required result. Okay. Add-on. The add-on system in lean manufacturing takes the position that stopping work in the movement will save the organization from major and costly issues in the future. It is a visual indicator signaling that a team member has encountered in an abnormal situation. Means by working on the Kaizen add-on activity, it alerts the production process when unconditional situation happen through three different codes. These are here they are. Red. Red means production stop. When problem is not identified and need further investigation. Yellow means problem appear. Operator takes help of concerned authority to fix the problem. Green means production is normal or smooth and we can easily proceed to the next level. This is how it works through three different codes. And there are some advantages. Improve transparency means we can easily check our production process whether it works correctly or not. Increase productivity, strengthen flexibility, reduces downtime means reduces the time gap between the from one process to another process. Disadvantages can be too complex and high cost of implemented for because for implementing add-on activities we have we have to use visual indicated signal, so it can be too costly or too complex to read. Okay, just in time. Just in time inventory is a strategy to increase efficiency and decreases waste by receiving goods only which they are needed in the production process, thereby reducing inventory cost. Just in time lean manufacturing tool work on the customer demand, means what they want and when they want. As a result, it helps to reduce this inventory level. Purpose of just in time. Pull part through production based on customer demand instead of pushing part through the production based on projected demand. It means ordering inventory on a needed basis. That is, the company does not hold any safety stock. It operates with continuously low inventory level. It means it helps to reduce the inventory level at our end through this just in time lean manufacturing tool. Advantages: highly effective in reducing inventory level, improve cash flow, and reduces space requirement, means building a strong relationship with the supplier and the customer. Okay. Disadvantages: time consuming and high risk factor, means we we have to be dependent on customer and the supplier, so it can be too risky to work. Okay. Continuous flow. Large scale production of items which flow from one operation in the process to the next. If this process technique is applied, production facilities and workplace are arranged according to the course of production. This continuous flow technique is used in the large scale of production. And for this technique, we have to make several changes at our workstation or in the workplace. So, and the advantage of this technique is that it reduces processing time of the workpieces, saving cost for temporary storage, control of the entire course of the production. As a result, it helps to reduce the labor cost. Disadvantages: much capital is required to install production line, low flexibility in changing products. Means for implementing these changes, we have to make large investment. Means converting whole process into a robotic system. As a result, large investment is needed. Hezonke. Hezonke means level scheduling. It is a Japanese original term. It is a technique for reducing the means unevenness production scheduling, which in turn reduces the muda. Muda means waste. There are three muda, muda, muri. Muri means overburden. By implementing Hezonke, we can stop producing work in batches and start processing order according to the customer demand. Means converting the stock into a finished good. And the only difference between the just-in-time and the lean manufacturing tool or the Hezonka is just-in-time manufacturing is focused on efficiency, while Hezonka is focused on using efficiency to add value for your customer. Okay. Why implement Hezonka? Many companies want to produce what customer want and when they want. They follow build to build approach. However, customer order create uneven and production schedule become even. If customer makes some changes, as a result, production schedule also become uneven. This eventually lead to a large amount of inventory hidden problem and poor quality. As a result, it result in the large inventory or the large stock at our end and also result in poor quality. For creating balanced lean workflow, we implement Hezonka at our end for solving this issue. Advantages: meet customer demand in total over a given period of levels production, finished good inventory to make up for short periods of higher demand, overtime saving. And the disadvantage of this technique is proper coordination with the customer to project better future demand. When proper coordination is needed, means we have to read the customer psychology, whether so that they cannot make some changes, and if they make some changes, we have to work easily in that process. Large inventory of finished good means converting the inventory into finished good. As a result, large space is get covered at our in our shop floor area. Okay. Zidoka. Zidoka means automation. The concept of Zidoka is the automatic detection of problem or defects at an early stage and proceed with the production only after resolving the problem at a root cause. Means the concept of Zidoka is to solve the problem at an early stage and work on its root cause so that it does not cause any problem in the future. It ensures that quality is automatically built into a production process. As a result, quality get improved in the production line. It was developed by the Japanese industrial engineer Singer Sao at an early stage of the 20th century. Advantages: no defective products produced to minimize poor quality to prevent equipment breakdown. Okay. Disadvantage: complex to use, costly, and for implementing this procedure, we have to deploy experience level employee at our end, so it can be complex or costly in our organization also. Gamba. Gamba means actual place. It is a Japanese word philosophy of Gamba. Remind us to get out of your office and spend time on the shop floor, the place where the real action occurs. And the three important elements of the lean manufacturing tools is go and see, ask why, respect the profile. Go and see means manager and leader at every level take regular walks around the shop floor and to be involved in finding the wasteful activity. Ask why means five whys means who, what, when, where, and why. Through active communication, respect the profile to find the problem together rather than blaming employees or workers working at the shop floor. This is how it works. And the advantage is building stable relationship with those who actually do the work and create value. Identify problem and taking action for achieving continuous improvement much faster. And the don'ts are don't forget to communicate, don't rely on manual. Okay. Value stream mapping. Value stream mapping is a lean manufacturing or lean enterprise technique used to document analysis and improve the flow of information or material required to produce or products or service of customer. Means we have to work on the present and designing the future according to the need of the customer demand. Okay. And the advantage of this technique is make it easy to make improvement to your business. Value stream mapping helps identify waste. Disadvantages is coordination is complex, longer lead time. Means it work on the various chart, flow chart, process chart, cycle chart. So it can be complex to use and longer lead time can also be created through this process. Okay. Kanban means pull system. Kanban is one of the lean tools designed to reduce the idle time in the production process. It means to reduce the time, idle time in the actual time in the production process. The main idea behind the Kanban system is used to deliver what the process needs exactly when it needs it. Means we have to deliver our goods to the customer exactly when they need it. In Japanese, the word kan means visual and ben means card. Advantages: eliminate waste from inventory and overproduction, focus on continuous delivery, increase productivity. These are the advantages of Kanban, and the disadvantages is product mix or demand changes may cause problems. The Kanban system does not eliminate variability, production flow problem. These are the disadvantages of Kanban. Conclusion: implementing lean management in an organization is a concept that is designed to support the concept of continuous improvement in a manufacturing and support organization. It means it is a systematic approach and we have to implement and we can easily implement lean at our end through a continuous improvement. The lean management process when used correctly seeks to eliminate any form of waste. There are basically the seven types of waste. These are defects, overproduction, waiting, unused transportation, inventory, motion, extra processing. Okay. Lean principle will continue to be used to reduce waste and improve process. Okay, and the only difference between the lean and Six Sigma is lean work on achieving flows, while Six Sigma focus on achieving constant result. Thank you. I hope all of you get understood the concept of lean and its different tools. So if you have any doubts or query, please write in the comment section below. And if you like my video, please like in my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.